Now to a big ammunition bust. The security forces are hailing as a major success a police military operation in Mountain View, St. Andrew today that has resulted in the seizure of several hundred M16 ammunition rounds.
A woman was among 33 persons taken into custody during the operation. The operation was in response to escalating warfare between rival factions in Jarrett Lane, Mountain View and Oliver Road, Rockfort.
TVJ's Giovanni Dennis was in the area today.
The Bushmaster APC, the latest armored military vehicle in Jamaica, a police armored vehicle, scores of police and military personnel, even a satisfied Commissioner of Police George Quayle on site. The area, Jarrett Lane in Mountain View. The result?
360 M16 rounds. We took into custody, we detained 32 males and 1 female.
Gangs from Jarrett Lane and Oliver Road have been trading bullets for weeks, leaving several dead and injured and 2 communities on edge. The police say it all started weeks ago after one man was beaten and 4 high-powered rifles taken from him. They say the men were friends.
The rival gangs are persons who grew up together, know each other, and for some reason they have now found themselves to be fighting, killing each other and terrifying their parents in the space.
Superintendent Hamilton says criminals from other areas have descended on both communities.
The area is infested, for want of a better word, with arms, ammunition and gangsters from all over Jamaica.
It's for this reason that they will be maintaining a strong presence.
We will definitely heighten our presence or resilience in the area, and I can understand the fears of those citizens. There were 2 major gun battles between criminals in that space within the last 2 weeks.
He also sent this message to the men he called gangsters.
We have taken serious note of their activities and we will be coming after them.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.